We did it, my boy. We did it. So I'm going to be explaining everything that happened here right now. Okay, what's good, guys? Good morning. Is your boy right here? MC Done well. So it's been a very long time I haven't done any video like this, but today I'm going to be doing a video again. So today, and I'm not going to be saying anything much on this video. So this video is about actually for small account traders. So Incidentware got funded of 5 USD today, which you can see right here. You see, I got a funded of 5 USD right here. So my goal for this account is to take this account to the amount of money that I need today. Okay, I just want to buy something worth of $10, and I don't have the money. I don't have the money. So what I'm going to be doing now is to taking this trade to at least 10 USD. Taking this account, which is $5, which you can see right here, to 10 USD. So it doesn't mean that I don't have the money to buy what I want to buy, which is worth of $10. And actually, I have the skill in me to get the money. So with that, I have the skill in me. I have the money. So let's see how we are going to do it. So stay tuned from here to the end of the video and let's dive in. Remember, the goal is for me to acquire what I need in the market, and once I get what I need, I have to step out. No emotional trading, no emotional decision, just me and the pure decision. So stay tuned and let's dive in. Okay, guys, right here I took a trade on SAUSD, which you can see on gold right here. So I entered this buy on smaller time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame. So you can see, so the scene I see on this trade, and the reason I'm buying on this trade and is because we are currently on this support zone right here. We are currently on this support zone, which is the 5 minutes to 15 minutes support zone, and currently on the 1 minute time frame we have a very strong OB, which you can see right here. So I'm buying from that other block right here. So I'm targeting right here. So on this trade I'm risking about 1 point something USD. So it's for you guys to stay tuned and watch to the end. Let's see how we can do it. Here is currently on our chart. You can see the trade, you can see how massive it's going. So we are currently now on 3 USD, which you can see. So my current balance is 1.93 cent because of the charges they took on this trade, and it haven't been updated yet until I close this position. So right here we are almost to TP, and let's see how it goes. Okay, guys, so right here we are currently up to that my take profit, which you can see right here. So this is a actually this is a very beautiful trade for the day, first time of the day. But the truth is that I'm going to be breaking even on this trade, so that when the market returns it will hit our stop loss. So what I want to be doing now is, what the reason I'm going to be breaking even is that we have a supply zone right here on the 1 minute time frame. So if we didn't break that supply zone, that means the market will continue coming down. But right here we are still holding to see how it goes. So let's see what happened next. Okay, guys, just look at this chart right here. You can see exactly what I said, and right here just look at exactly what I said before this thing happened. You can see how aggressive the market usually drop from that supply zone. Like I said, that we have a supply zone right here on this small time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame, and right now the market have rejected it with a very strong momentum, pushing straight down to our entry. And I told you guys I'm going to be breaking even on this trade, but guess what, I didn't break even anymore. But though I'm going to be holding this trade right now because there's nothing I can do about it. So we are currently down into our entry, but I'm going to be holding it. So if this market failed to break this zone right here, if we fail to break this zone right here and come down, that means my next target is that I'm going to be maximizing my profit. Maybe I'll be taking this profit around this upside. So that is my target right now, because if the market failed to break this line as it is doing now, if this market come back again right here, it will break this supply zone, which means that if this market break this supply zone, this market will be currently somewhere around here. And this trade alone, if this thing happen, this trade alone will take me to will take my account to the next level. Remember, I'm still on only one trade. I only took one trade on the account. I only took one trade for now on the account, and I told you guys how much I'm risking on this trade. And let's see what happens next. Stay tuned and stay blessed. Okay, what is good, guys? So this is exactly where we are. This is on my 5 minutes time frame right here. So I told you guys that if market, let me explain it well. I told you guys that if this market failed to break this area, that the next move to the upside will be very massive. That the next move to the upside is that the market will easily break that supply zone, which the one we see right here. You see, the market have actually break it. Let me mark it out. We have actually break that supply zone, and I told you guys that I'm going to be maximizing my wins. Okay, I'm going to be maximizing my. You can see why I set my take profit. So this trade, particularly this trade I'm taking now, is about 1:3, and is about 1:3 to 5 right here. So you can see exactly that is exactly what the market is doing. It have already swept out a liquidity from this high, showing that the upside will be valid. It will be valid. The market may continue still going up. So I'm not going to be closing. This is currently where we are, and I'm going to be showing you guys where I'm currently at on my MT5. So let's see where I'm currently at. Okay, guys, this is exactly what it's currently looking at on my MT5. You can see I have taken off that take profit from that high, like I said. So look at what I'm risking. Is to show you guys I'm very, very sincere. You can see here is what I'm currently risking. I'm risking about this 3.39 cents, and some of you will be saying, hey, why can't you close the trade? You can see that the market is reversing. The truth is that I'm not closing the trade. So I'm trusting this analysis to play out. So I'm not panicking, okay, because I trust it. And secondly, I risk what and I can be able to afford. So currently right here on the chart, you can see I'm up to 2.5 USD. Currently we are up to about 5 point something USD. Oh my god. So I did close on 5 point something USD. This is very stubborn, greedy, man. I don't know. I don't even know that the market have given me up to that amount. But no problem. We are going to be holding because I'm not closing yet. And let's see how it goes next. Remember, we are currently at 2.5 cents right now. Let's see what happens next. Okay, what's up, traders? Right here, we did it. We did it, my boy. We did it. So I'm going to be explaining everything that happened here right now and right away. So you can see the market eventually smashed that take profit. Boom. Yeah, this is the reason why it's very, very good to trust analysis and believe in yourself. This is what I'm saying. So guess what? This trade was very, very crazy. We risk only $1. I will make a profit of 5 point something USD. So let's go straight without wasting your time. Let's go straight to my MT5 and let me show you guys what I did. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Right here is my MT5 and you can see we are out of the trade, man. Boom. So let me take you to my history. So this is exactly what it looks like on my history. So I'll be showing you guys something. So what I'm going to be showing you guys now is this is the only commission I have on this trade. They took only 0.07 as a commission. So we got funded of 5 USD in the morning. Like I say, we got funded. This is currently about 11 something right now. So we got funded I think by 10 o'clock, 2 minutes after 10 in the morning. So we got this funded right here, and you can see right away we make a profit of 5.59 cents minus 0.07 cent. We are currently up to 1.53 cent. So this means that we make a profit of 5.53 cent for the day. So the best and the most craziest part of this trade is that how much do we risk on this? We didn't risk the whole account. Indeed, we didn't. This is actually just $5 account. We didn't risk the whole account. What we currently risk on this account is only 1.39 cents. And you can see country right here, we are currently at 10 USD. This is very crazy. So I'm going to be explaining everything that happened here on the chart. So stay tuned to listen to a very What's good, guys? So actually the good news right here is that I did it. We did it. We have turned a 5 to 10 within 1 hour. You can see currently right now this is about 11:29 a.m. GMT Nigerian time right here. So this is about 11:29 a.m. GMT Nigerian time. So we actually got our fund. We funded our account on 2 minutes after 10 in the morning. Like I told you guys, I wanted to buy something worth of $10. I don't have the amount. I don't have exactly the amount. I'm just having $5. And as a trader, I'm no broke. Okay, I have this skill in me. So all I need is to fund my account and actually take a trade and go and buy what I wanted to buy. And guess what? I have ordered what I wanted to buy right now and is actually on the way coming. So I want to break down something to you guys to inspire you on this video. You see, on this trade I take and on this challenge I actually take now is not all about taking trades. Now ask yourself, if you don't I wanted to buy something, I wanted to buy something. I don't have up to that amount. Actually, what I'm having actually currently is just 5 USD. And because I'm a trader and I have this skill in me, I have my phone, I have my internet connection, I have my laptop. What I have to do is just to fund my account. So that is why I told you guys that my what I will be looking after on this particular trade is exactly what I wanted, which is all I wanted from the market is 1 times 1, which is 2. That means I'm going to be turning my $5 to $10, and that is exactly what I did. So the question right here is, how do I do it? How do I do it? Now I have showed you guys from the beginning of this video to the end of this video, nothing is fake. I showed you guys everything. Actually, some of you may be wondering what account I'm trading. Actually, I'm using Bybit. I'm using Bybit TradeFi. Like I said, Bybit TradeFi will never show you boss like this. It boss like this because it is not actually like those brokers. They are actually regulated by exchange, so they can't show you a boss like this in your. So I'm currently using live account. You guys have already know from the last video that I showed you guys that I'm using Bybit. So actually the most important thing, the reason why I'm using Bybit currently right now is because Bybit actually offer us spread. They offer us spread. You can see the commission on my trade, which you can see right here. This commission, this 0.07 cent commission is actually the amount that I paid for that raw spread, because they are offering me raw spread account. So what I'm trading is about something like about 0.1 pip or 0.1 pip spread. So it's not up to anything. So as low as 0.1%. So that is the reason why you see it like this. So now the psychology behind this trade is this. If you don't want to $5 to $10, now this is how I do it. This is how I do it. So if you want to do it, you can do it. The most important thing is to make sure that you are ready to do it. You are a trader. Let me tell you, there is nothing that you cannot do in the market. You want this money now, you can get it now, because this is what you have been paying since. This is what you have been paying since. You have sacrificed your sleep. When others is sleeping, you are there studying. When others is actually flexing, you are indoor, lock your door, you are there studying, learning about trading. This is the reason why you have been studying to become who you want to be, and this is the power of who you want to be. Maybe many of you right here is saying, okay, I have $5, and I want to buy $10 of clothes, or I want to buy $10 of food, and now you have $5. Because you don't have the skill as I did, what you will be going is that you will go out to look for job. maybe you look for 9 to 8 job, but you see me funded my account, make that money in just less than 50 seconds, in just less than 15 minutes. I mean, in just less than 40 minutes to 50 minutes right now, which you can see I documented right here. So the trade is so fast. So this is the power of becoming who you want to be. I did it by believing in myself. My strategy is simple. You can see, you can see my strategy is very, very simple. What matters next is my risk management. I don't even care. I don't even care. What if this market go against me? What I know is that I trust my setup. I bought from this support zone. Okay, look at this support zone right here. Look at this support zone. You can see how strong that support zone is. I told you guys I'm buying from this support zone according to my strategy. Market is respecting on a support zone, on a support zone. So that support zone is where I'm going to be buying. And you see how tight my stop loss is. The reason why you see this stop loss being so tight like this is because I didn't trust the market, and that is exactly how I trade. So the main goal right there is that I risk small amounts, which means that if I even lose this first trade, I have the capital to trade next. I only risk 1.39 cent dollars on this trade on good. Then you will say, how do you manage that risk? How do I manage that risk? How do I manage that risk? By risking only 1.89 cent dollar. Now, how do I manage it is this. I'm not trading. If I wanted to flip a small account, I'm not trading with a higher time frame. I'm going to a smaller time frame that is aligned with my account. I get it. And this is how I trade. Actually, I'm not actually trading with entering trade from 15 minutes always. I'm not entering trade from 15 minutes. Before you see me enter trade from 15 minutes or 15-minute time frame, is because maybe I want to increase my risk, or I want to actually increase my win rate by targeting like 1 risk to 10, 1 risk to 15, 1 risk to 30. I getting. So on that targeting like 1 risk to 30, what I will do is I go to my entry time frame, which is 5 minutes and 1 minute time frame, and I'll enter my trade, manage my risk tight. But before I enter a trade or I buy and sell, I must make sure that I have a confirmation from the higher time frame. From the higher time frame, either we are supporting on a support zone. Before I buy, we are actually approaching on a support zone. Before I say, we are actually approaching on a supply zone. If I enter a market in the middle of nowhere, I must make sure that the move is very, very aggressive, which means that if I'm buying on the middle of nowhere, that means I have looked into the higher time frame to confirm that the move is very, very aggressive, which means that there will be no reversing. So this is how I actually trade. So the first thing I want you to learn is this. Anytime you wanted to flip account, come closer. Listen. Listen very carefully. Anytime you wanted to flip an account, first thing you have to do is to trust yourself. Because if you look at that video right there, you can see me saying, you can see the time the market reversed. Like I told you, when the market come up to this supply zone, it will reverse. You can see that time the market reversed. Some of you will be emotional attached. You'll be saying, oh, the market is going back to my stop loss. I'm going to close it. This is called emotional roller coaster. So how to avoid it is this. When you want to risk anything in your account, make sure that you are risking what you can be able to afford. The reason why you see me being telling you guys I'm not going to be closing whatever is gonna be, let it be, is because I trust what I'm doing. I trust my risk management, I trust my analysis, and I know that even if I lose that trade, I still have capital to trade. Now I'm risking 1.39 cents. That means for me to lose this $5, I have to trade at least 3 times. At least 3 times. I will take at least 3 trades before I lose that $5 account. Which means that each one of these trade actually give me 1 risk to 4 or 1 risk to 5. Which means that if I'm risking $1, I'm targeting $5 per trade. And there is no way I will lose 3 trades in a row on this $5 account. There is no way. Which means that I will still be live in the market. only if I stick to my rules. So this is it. So one thing I want you to learn now is to how to protect capital first, how to control emotion. Do not be emotional deceived. Do not trade by emotional roller coaster. Your emotion will doubt your ability. Your emotion will doubt your ability, and your emotion will trigger your fear. That is the reason why you must stick to what you have to be, to what you are aiming for. If you actually find this video helpful, please don't insist to hit that subscription button right here, like and subscribe. But please always comment, because your comments will actually help me to continue doing more videos like this to inspire you. And the time will come when I will give you guys my strategy, how I used to trade, and I'll actually give you guys access to my free Telegram channel, which you can join me and be making money from with me right there. But for now, let's actually be learning here. For now, I'm actually doing everything to be in a way that you guys will know that everything I'm doing is real. I'm not a trader who will go and be showing you my wins without showing you my losses. Go to my previous videos. You can see where I lost. I have done a challenge of 10 to 20. I lost it. I've done a challenge of 10 to 100. I lost it. I showed you guys that everything is real. There's nothing that I fake out. I didn't fake anything. It's to be sincere with you. Everything I'm doing in this industry is real. So that if I can be able to survive it, you can survive it too. Okay. I'm not a trader who will be always be showing you my winnings, and I will show you my losses. That kind of trader is not actually sincere. But here I am showing you guys everything happened. According to this particular video I did, I showed you guys everything that happened in the market, how you can easily avoid emotional roller coaster. When you actually plan something and you can see the market will give you 1:4, and you can actually come back to your entry, you will be very emotional and you will go and close the trade partially, and the market will start going into your favor. That is the main reason why I told you guys you must actually watch this video to the end, and you can see the result. We actually end up here. I actually did it. So now what am I gonna do? I'm going to be buying what I wanted to buy, man. So I'm going to be buying what I wanted to buy because I did it. So stay tuned and remain blessed, but don't forget to hit that subscription button and share. God bless you.